What is up, everybody? We're here today on one of my favorite bikes, my 2018 Drz400. Alright, I've had this bike for 6 years. You know, I bought it brand new. I've had it, you know, kept it for the most part. It's not my first DRZ. I've had other DRZs, some a lot faster than this one. This one only has, watch out, little birdie. This one only has the JD jet kit, 3x3 mod, and an exhaust. So the engine's stock. That was pretty trash, but I haven't rode this bike in a while. That was second gear to third gear. I'll do second, third to fourth. Just gotta get warmed up a little bit. Second, third, fourth. Alright, so all you have to do, first thing first, learn how to wheelie. There's plenty of videos on how to do wheelies. You know, I'm gonna tell you the best thing to learn how to do wheelie: seat time and crashing. Okay, you're gonna crash. If you don't crash when you learn a wheelie, it's gonna take you a lot longer to learn how to wheelie if you don't crash. It's just start on a dirt bike. Honestly, start on a DRZ. Start on a dual sport. Start on a bike that's a lot lighter than a full. You know, this is 100 pounds lighter than, you know, every street bike. This is a heavy bike. This is still, you know, I can't remember off the top of my head, you know, what, 310 pounds, I think. Something around there. It's a heavy bike, okay? But it's a lot lighter than, you know, a street bike. Oh yeah, there's some trails right here. Yeah, there's some trails right there, but that's not this video. This video is wheelies and how to shift gears. Alright, so what you do is after you learn how to do wheelies, you know, I pop it up, throttle, second gear. You can do clutch ups, but I've never done clutch ups on this bike because it's just, you just throttle up on a dirt bike. So you start out in second gear, right? Let's just show you how it's done. Alright, I'll put the camera on it. Second gear, pop it up, down there, the shifter. Okay, so what you do is, once you're in the wheelie, you find a nice little balance point. You let off the gas a little bit, you roll off the gas. And once you roll off the gas, then you can shift up, alright? Yes, I'm not using the clutch. Yes, I can use the clutch, right? You probably, you know, learning, it's a lot easier to learn not using the clutch, okay? Will it mess your clutch up? Not really. Will it mess your clutch basket up? It's possible, you know, especially if you're not rolling off the gas a little bit, you know. But the thing is, I've been doing that on this bike for 6+ years, okay? And I have looked at my clutches. I've took the cover off, looked at the clutches to see how bad the basket is. The basket is not worn at all. But I've never misshifted this. I've always rolled off the gas while I shifted. Let's get another second to fourth. Second, third, fourth. I can do a lot longer wheelies, but these roads are very short. This whole video is, you know, strictly on how to shift gears in a wheelie. Okay, right here. Perfect opportunity. Old lady, she was not happy, but you'll get that. Again, we live in Florida. You're gonna have old people that aren't happy. All right, we're gonna go ahead, pop it up in second, and ride out in third for a little bit. That's third. We got a thumbs up from that guy, so that's good. Oh yeah. That's why you be very vigilant. Man, everyone's just loving the wheelies today. That's good. That's what I like to see. I will get some wheelies around me going around turns like this. You know, after years of doing wheelies, you could do wheelies around turns. But again, this video is not about how to wheelie around a turn. It is how to shift during a wheelie. So remember, when you pop it up, you find that balance point real quick, and then let off, shift. Now you give it a little bit less gas when you shift. If you give it the same amount of gas that you were in second gear, if your bike's got more power than this, you will flip back. But if everyone knows, a DRZ is a very slow bike, a very heavy bike, okay? Wait until this car passes. Here we go. Try to get this whole stretch. Third. Fourth. Ooh, my hand's starting to get tired. Alright, don't hate on me, alright, because I have not rode this bike in a while. Okay, you know, my hand was cramping up. I said in another video that, you know, I broke my hand twice, arm ripped out, you know, went through a windshield, foot reconstructed, you know, so I'm pretty messed up, you know. Most of it's from bikes. So my hand sometimes, especially when I'm doing wheelies in that angle, it hurts my hand a little bit. That's third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear, watch. Fifth gear. Started out in second, ended in fifth, okay? That's how you shift gears in a wheelie. Obviously, I can't do it for you. There's going to be a lot of practice that you're going to have to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was simple, quick, and easy after you learn how to wheelie. I'll see you guys on the next one.